welcome back to my channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today we are going to paint another scenery painting. So what we are waiting for? Let's start this video. So these are the materials that I'm going to use today. The colors I am using are already in the palette and I am going to start the painting. Actually, these colors are acrylics, which are leftovers from my last painting that I did about 3 days ago. After the painting, I put a lot of water in the palette for all these 3 days. So because of that, these colors are not behaving like acrylics now. These are more like watercolors now, like gouache or even very close to the poster colors, because these are really thick but really looking like watercolors. I started painting from the background and the hut. It's really cool that acrylics are behaving like watercolors, and I am using a lot of water and letting the paint make its own way. I don't want to control the paint today because I just want to relax and let my thoughts flow. So I am just feeling the paint flow and it is just making me happy. I am not doing intentionally anything today. For painting, I am applying some brush strokes of paint directly using a lot of water where I think the objects like trees or hut must be located. So I am really feeling free to paint today. I am applying strokes of various shades like red, green, yellow and black, or mix up of these colors, and the view that I'm painting today is path backside a hut. So there is a lawn behind the hut, around the hut even I can see where so many trees and so many plants are there, and there is a path in between these. I am starting the painting lawn using yellow paint initially. The brushes I am using today are round brushes and I am breaking my approach to paint from darker to lighter today. I have applied lighter shades first today because I am painting like watercolors, because my acrylics are not behaving like acrylics today. So my approach is to paint just like watercolors. So I have applied lighter shades first, and then using many shades like green or mix up of green and some darker shades, I am going to apply the second layer on the top of those. Various shades of green I have prepared by mixing yellow, blue and black in the green. This back garden is full of plants and trees, so there is a lot of greenery, and in greenery you need to paint with a lot of green shades. So I am doing the same. I just need to apply touches of various shades to paint this. After painting leaves, I am going to paint few stems of trees to take my painting towards its final note. All the stems I am going to paint with the mix up of brown and black instead of this, the center one, which I am painting using white and black. So after painting all the stems, my painting is going to be ready and I am coming to paint the ground, where I have already applied few shades. Like I applied initially yellow and then I applied few touches of green on the top of it. Now I am just going to add shadows using black shade and other dark shades here before applying the final highlights. For highlights, I am going to use the lighter shades like white and yellow. As this painting is representative, so I have applied few strokes to represent grass in the lawn and also applied few touches to paint flowers. After applying the highlights and shadows, my painting is almost ready. It's really looking amazing. Let me sign this painting, and after signing the painting, let me apply this final touch. I always apply touches after the signing. So now it's ready. Have a close-up look on my painting. This painting is really looking like a poster color or gouache painting, but I really did it with acrylics. How cool is it? So guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, then press the like button and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And guys, to meet me in my next video, you have to subscribe this channel, for which you need to press the subscribe button, and also you need to press the bell icon to get notifications for all my new videos first. I will meet you there. Till then, bye bye. Take care. You are amazing. So, take care.